Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Um, I am in Midrand, Johannesburg. Actually, it's a residential complex called Munyaka. They're building a lagoon just over the wall there. And this is my baby. But we're going to be talking about safety, specifically when you get cars that just change direction whilst they're driving in front of you or even next to you. And those kinds of drivers, I call them weavers, weaving. And I think they're the most dangerous thing for a rider. Sometimes they do it unintentionally, so they can't see you, and sometimes they do it because they're just jerks and they want you to stop. Either way, you would always come off second best if you got into entanglement with one of them as a rider. So I would suggest that you are very visible, and one way of doing that, which all riders have to do, is to have your lights on. I always beam my lights on as well, just for good measure. And I have reflective tape all around my bike. I got it off from Take-A-Lot. It helps, especially in low light situations. The second thing is, try not to ride in the blind spot of the driver ahead. So here in South Africa, we drive on the left lane, on the left side. And if you're to the very, very left of that left lane, you're going to be in the car ahead's blind spot, and the person can't see. So try to be, I think personally, in the middle or close to the right where the driver is, and then your light is directly facing their rear view mirror. They will know you're there. So this light beaming onto the rear view mirror. Yeah, just be careful, because I have a couple of clips that I'm going to play around just now. Riding, and people just decide to weave through into my lane. So just be careful, and yeah, be mindful of people that do that, and be vigilant. Always be vigilant when you're riding. Look ahead, look in front of you, look behind you. Always look into your mirrors from time to time. Believe it or not, someone also almost ran into me whilst we were side by side. The guy wasn't even looking into his passenger window. When he decided to turn, he just decided to turn. But yeah, it's all good and well. It's all good and well, and stay safe. Always ride like drivers are out to get you, because yeah, in any interaction with a car, you're always going to come off second best. You're not going to win that. No matter what kind of bike you have, if you just get nicked by a car, you're going down. So try to be as vigilant as possible, and just be aware of cars. Be aware of cars, be aware of other bikes. Also, other bikes can just jump into your lane too. So be aware of that. And yeah, other than that, see you in the next video. Cheers. Thanks for watching. GoPro, stop recording.